the video covering examples 9 and 10. So for example 9, we have a business that has borrowed $300,000 at 8% compounded semi-annually for 7 years. And we want to know what the payments are. All right, so this one is a straightforward question. So our payment is equal to our present value times R over M over 1 minus 1 plus R over M to the negative MT. All right, now PV is 300,000. M is 2. R is 0.08. And T is 7. So we just plug in our values. So PMT is going to be 300,000 times 0.08 divided by 2. Now you put parentheses around that, enter it straight like that, divided by parentheses 1 minus parentheses 1 plus 0.08 divided by 2, close parentheses to the negative 2 times 7, close parentheses, and that shouldn't be there, and type enter. Hit the enter key. Now, if you're using a TI-80, then your calculator will handle it just like it is there. And what you come up with is that your payment, because remember, it'll look like a big number, but you're really only doing this twice a year. And that should be your twice a year payment. Okay? Now, I'm going to scroll down. For this question, for question 10, all right, you're going to have your purchase price minus your down payment and that is going to equal your loan amount. Okay? So the problem describes a debt that's amortized. They purchase it for $40,000. They make a down payment of $3,000 and then they take out the loan for the rest. All right? They have, so it's 40,000 minus 3,000. So that means that they're going to finance 37,000. All right? They have quarterly payments, so M is 4, over 6 years at an interest rate of 16%. Okay? Compounded quarterly. So how much is their payment? Okay? So their payment equals PV times R over M divided by 1 minus parentheses 1 plus R over M to the negative MT. So payment equals 37,000 divided by, times 0.16 divided by 4, close parentheses, divided by 1 minus parentheses 1 plus 0.16 divided by 4 to the negative 4 times 6. Payment is then $2,426.71276. You're going to store that into A. Okay? So how much is the total amount paid? So that's going to be your payment times your number of compoundings times your number of years. Okay? So that's going to be A times 4 times 6. So that gives you 58241.10623. All right? And A is simply this value that you had right here. Okay? So now, the next question is, how much interest is paid over the life of the loan? So the interest paid equals the total paid minus the loan amount. Okay? So that's going to be so you're going to store the previous value into B. So that's going to be your B value minus the $37,000 that you took out the loan for. And that will give you your interest paid, which is 21241.10623. All right? Now, I don't know if some of you have realized that like question 10 had some of the same parts as I think question 8. If I go back and look, I can see. Not question 8, but I'm looking back as question 4. So part B of question 10, where we figure out the total amount paid, that is the same as part B on question 4. Okay? So some of these parts are going to you're going to start to see a pattern, and that you're going to see that, sorry, my battery's running low, for my pencil, that you're going to see there's going to be some overlap in the pattern in the questions. So just start watching for those patterns, because that'll help you to figure out and to prepare for the test. All right? So if you have any questions, please let me know. So either email me or post them on the discussion board. All right? Thank you.